Is Django thread blocked while sending email? I have a Django REST framework API, and I'm trying to understand how sending email from it works. Suppose I'm using django.core.mail.backends.smtp.email backend as email backend to send emails. Sending of an email is quite slow, and I'm wondering if the Django main thread will be blocked somehow during the time so that the other APIs would be unusable during it. Is that true? Would it be a good call to send the email in a background process created by Celery, for example?
Yes, Django thread is blocked for that particular user. You might want to use Celery along with RabbitMQ for sending mail in background.
I confirm the thread handling the request will be blocked until the email is sent. In a typical Django setup, one thread is created per request.